In this video, I will show you how to make a flowchart in draw.io. So in order to do that, just head over to the URL link right here on your browser and type in here draw.io. You will be redirected to apps.diagrams.net and you should be able to see this. So a flowchart typically composes of several elements like circles as well as squares. For example, let's click on the element that we want. I have in here this circle. Let me expand it. And you can also change the color of it. For example, let's make it blue and this is what it looks like right now. Now below that, let's add in here some more elements like rounded rectangle. Let's do this and let's make them the color blue as well. You can right click on them and then click on duplicate, then duplicate again since I want to create three. Now I have in here this. Next thing we need to do is we need to add in here some lines in order to connect them all together. So let's connect the tree first. Let's add them right here. Now let's add in here another line that will connect the circle to this line that we have added. Once you have connected those, let's create another line right here, or you can also just duplicate the existing line by right clicking, then copying it or duplicating it. Then you can move it right here. So let me move it right here and connect it to this line. Now do the same thing that you want to do to the other things right here. Just move them across and then link them together. So let me just finish this. And once you have actually finished all of this, we can now add in here a text element if you would want. We have in here some more things that we can use, such as miscellaneous, advanced, and the likes. Now you can also add in here advanced option and you should be able to see in here some more things like some more arrows, flowcharts, and in here you can see the actual flowchart option. We have in here the pre-existing conditions such as these brackets if you want to make it as easy as possible. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.